Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload photos and videos on Google Drive. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Google Drive. Once you open Google Drive, you simply need to click on the plus icon, and here you can see the option of folder upload, and you simply need to click on upload and select the photos from gallery. So I'm opening a gallery and I'm going to select this photo. So you can see that my one photo is now uploading in Google Drive. So you can see that, and if you want to upload a video, you simply need to click on that and click on upload, and then you need to go into the videos, okay, and select a video. And so you can see that the video is now also uploading. You simply need to refresh. So you can see that the image is showing here and the video is now uploading. And if you want to upload a folder, you simply need to click on folder and name your folder, and you can also upload anything in your folder. So this is the process by which you can upload photos and videos in Google Drive. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.